Tech stocks just had one of the biggest and most historical weeks ever in the markets, and a lot of people are about to miss what I'm going to share in this video. So let's get directly into it. Okay, big tech's trillion-dollar week. You know, we saw Microsoft and Amazon have extreme volatility. Apple gets punished. Meta gets punished. Let's break down why. Okay, Wall Street is finally demanding some of these results from this whole AI boom. Okay, now big tech is spending hundreds of billions of dollars on AI infrastructure. We're seeing companies put pretty much all of their capex in the market. Okay, investors are no longer rewarding AI spending by itself. Companies are showing real revenue growth, are being rewarded. And most importantly, this week created a massive divide between perceived AI winners and losers. So I have a question for you. Answer it down below. Is the AI boom producing real profits, or is it creating a massive spending bubble? Now, consumer spending is up. People are spending money. And I have subscriptions for multiple AI products and platforms. Would love to know, do you have them as well? And if the economy gets tough, will people cancel these AI subscriptions? It's something to really think about. Now, Microsoft, let's break down some of the winners here. Microsoft nearly added $450 billion in one day. Share price booms 15% in one session. Okay, largest one-day market cap gain on record. And, the Azure cloud growth forecast is, predicting 45%. So is Microsoft something that you're buying? Are you holding it? Let me know in the comments. Now, a loser, Apple was on pace to lose nearly $500 billion. Little bit of transfer of dollars there, okay? Down 10%, worst day since March of 2020. That was COVID. And $500 billion was erased from the market value. Okay, next quarter revenue growth guidance, Apple guided 10%, but Wall Street expected 12%. And this is the problem of market expectations. The market expects a number. It comes in a little bit lower, still a good number, still growing, and then the market sells off. That's the world we're living in here, and you got to learn how to read these charts. You can learn how to apply to work with me, so I can teach you how to read these charts down below, okay? Because we have not been buying Apple in a long time. Now, is Apple losing its position, or are they just about to boom now? I like the fear here, and I am looking for an entry there. Now, Amazon had a nice little dip and got bought right back up, right? Exploded nearly 15% this week. $42.2 billion on Amazon Web Services quarterly revenue. That's up 37%. The market was expecting 31% of cloud revenue. They came in at 37%. Okay, and they raised, listen to this, they raised their CapEx, which is capital expenditures. They're spending money, $220 billion on the AI growth. Cloud growth shows measurable demands for AI infrastructure. You're going to hear a lot of terms in the next couple of years. Tokenization, real-world assets, cloud, infrastructure, data centers. All these terms, get ready and be prepared. Now, Meta, aka Facebook, their free cash flow collapsed. I mean, this is just completely a collapse. They're putting all their money, all their CapEx back into AI. And guess what? When they launched their earnings this past week, or they released earnings, share prices dropped, down 91% quarterly free cash flow year over year. And they're just all in on AI. Now, this is what people don't get. Google's doing the same. Amazon is doing this. They're all going all in. And you're going to ignore this space? You think that all of these major companies are just going to go all in on AI and not get some sort of return? Might not be today. The market is pricing in what it sees today. I like to price in what I see in 6 months, 12 months, 18 months, not in predictions. But do we really believe that the biggest companies in the world are all going to flop in this space? I don't believe so. So I would pay very close attention, because look, there's going to be winners and losers in every market. That's why I suggest, VOO, QQQ, if you want to play the whole market, S&P, that's a safer bet. But this is really a wake-up call video to say, what in AI am I looking at? What am I invested in? Okay? What are you invested in? So last but not least, the AI bubble isn't treating everyone equally. Not right now, at least. Microsoft and Amazon proved AI demand is translating into cloud revenue. Apple's results raise concerns. Is it falling behind? What are they doing? Meta shows the danger of spending aggressively with no immediate returns. Remember, Facebook changed Meta. What happened to that Libra program? What happened to the metaverse? They lost like, what, $40–50 billion in spending there? It completely is dead. You know, big tech's AI spending is becoming one of the largest capital investment cycles in history. Companies are raising money. They put the word AI in front of it and they're raising money. They're doing these raises. And the next stage of AI market will be decided by profits and cash flow. Profits and cash flow, not hype. I believe all this AI bubble conversation in the next 12 months disappears and we start to see some real application. Like, let me ask you this question. What are you using in AI on your everyday basis? Are you using Claude? Are you using Cowork? Are you using ChatGPT? If you'd like me to do a video more on AI and what tools I'm using, comment down below on this video and maybe I'll create something. Also, you can click the subscribe button and maybe hit your boy with a like. It costs you nothing and it means everything to me. God bless you.